On 1st February 1986, as I told you, Justice K.M. Pandey ordered for opening of locks. In those times, the practice was that if a district judge has to be promoted to the High Court, the file goes to two places. One to the state government and other to the Chief Justice of the High Court. And both of them have to give their marks or their remarks on the file. Will you imagine, Anand, Mulayam Singh Yadav, and I'm telling you on your show today on authority, Mulayam Singh Yadav was the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. When the file of Justice K.M. Pandey went to him, and I'm telling you verbatim what he wrote, Justice K.M. Pandey बहुत ही ईमानदार और निर्भीक न्यायाधीश हैं, पर चूंकि इन्होंने राम मंदिर के ताला खुलने का ऑर्डर किया है, मैं इनके नाम की संस्तुति नहीं करता हूं. I don't recommend his name for promotion to the High Court judge. This was the note of Mulayam Singh Yadav, and it is on affidavit, I'm telling you, on your show. In 1990, car sevaks were killed. And the government did not give compensation to the car sevaks. Forget about compensation. They did not even agree on the total numbers of car sevaks who actually were killed, brutally massacred. They said that 16 have been killed in the firing, while the number was much more than that. And a writ petition was filed in 1990 by my senior Mr. Harishankar Jain saying 362 people have died. Please go and have a commission into it. Nothing was done. And let me tell you, on 9th November 1989, जो कार सेवक थे, उन्होंने वहां पे कनोपी लगाई थी, छतरी लगाई थी 9 नवंबर 1989 को. दी मुलायम सिंह यादव गवर्नमेंट, उन्होंने छतरी कटवा के फेंकवा दी वहां पे 9 नवंबर 1989 के बाद. इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट भी फाइल्ड अ पिटिशन and said that there was a chhatri. The government said there is no canopy, no chhatri, and the commission went, advocate commission went, led by my father, और वहीं से छतरी बरामद कराई.
My direct order to fire at the car sevaks on October 30th, 1990 was needed to save Babri Masjid and maintain the faith of Muslims in our country.
Correct.
Even if 30 people had died in the firing instead of 16, I would still have not withdrawn my decision. Unquote, Padma Vibhushan Mulayam Singh Yadav.
I filed and you know, Anand, after this statement, I lodged an FIR. FIR was refused to be registered. Till the Supreme Court I fought. No FIR was registered. Let me tell you, if a sitting chief minister says that I ordered firing on a particular community for a particular purpose, can you say, is it not massacre? Is it not massacre? Nothing was done by the judiciary or by the system of this country.
But it's the same courts that
No, something was done by the system. Padma Vibhushan was given.
No.